Sorry.
Can't that get friends on me?
Sorry.
You know what she thought?
What did she talk?
She said, I don't think I can be your girlfriend because we are childhood friends. Person I meet last month. How many things you know about my childhood? She followed me go goodness and message private school. Me can't polish like that. I'm in pain.
Stand up.
What's happening?
I get plans.
Which plan?
You know, say girls, they always jealous if they see girls around you. What thing I go do be say I go invite some nasty, succulent bad girls for you. When she see them, she go jealous.
When you want to see nasty, succulent bad girls?
You don't trust me again.
Hey, can't it? Who be that one? Now your house. My friend.
Exactly.
You can sit down.
I met this.
You always the met. So I wanted to tell you, I'm expecting some nasty, succulent, bad girls. You know I'm a ladies person. A lot of girls like me. Like I wish you liked me too. Who is that?
Bolaba.
I think those are the nasty, succulent, bad girls that are like you, that I like. But we're friends. We're friends. What is this? I don't know them.
I got the advice from a madman.
Which kind of girls with this?
You know like Igbo girls? Hana Bambri.
Your papa. You like this? Igbo girls are Igbo boys. Who be this papa?
Bitch, you.
Well done, boss.
Nasty.
Which kind of bitch with this? Who they not get gay? How many girls you can from my house?
No worry, this one hot.
Where's my baby?
You know about it.
Hey, you! You this cheap witch.
Wait, Jesus.
And you will meet again. And I'm glad you did. And today, I'm going to show you I am more powerful than you are.
Calm down. Happy reunion. See, this is a Christian woman. You guys can do wish fight here, okay? Bless up, Jesus.
Now show me your power by turning him back.
They use me to do experiment.
Sorry.
See, I didn't even know you had wish before, but please, you better be powerful.
Shank, turn back.
You rewind me. They told me to bread, they talk accent. Shout it out.
Are you playing?
Shank, turn back.
Yeah. So this guy will be really witch.
You can see I won.
Look at this one.
What thing be this?
Wakanda forever.
Jesus! Subhanallah! So this witch na Black Panther. Oh my Jesus.
Shank, I'm sorry I lost.
And you will lose forever.
We'll see later.
Twisting witch. Mommy meow.
We have 4 types of blue. Number 1, navy blue. Number 2, sky blue. Number 3, light blue.
Okay.
Who can tell us number 4?
Blue.
Jesus.
Correct. Clap for him.
Let's watch this video and I have some comments to comment this video.
There's a problem I must fix of you.
Are you sure?
But before you get married to the Moho, there's a problem I must fix of you.
You will forgive me that I'm laughing.
Do it, Papa.
Can I fix a problem?
Fix it, Papa.
Shut up. Let me tell you something.
Go deeper.
Something spiritual happened.
Yes, Papa.
Shall not be said they don't collect your brain from that church.
In fact, to be precise,
Yes, Papa.
you were 10 years, 4 months old.
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
By that time, can I prophesy a little bit? You were in grade 10.
Yes, Papa.
Let me go back a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Let's go back, Papa.
Find out something what happened.
Yes, Papa.
When you were born,
Yes, Papa.
there was something that happened in the world, in the spirit world.
Yes, Papa.
Every person when you're born, something happens.
Okay. Tell me, Papa.
Can I be?
Finish me, Papa.
Remember?
If not because of God, I for don't give a rat poison. Make it go.
Do anything, Papa.
You hijacked
Yes,
prophecy.
Papa.
Now let me finish.
Finish me, Papa.
You will not want to go to hellfire.
Let me jump, and now I'll go back.
Just go back.
No, they will God keep you.
Let me jump first.
Papa.
I'm seeing 2 children.
Yes, I have 2.
2 children.
Yes, Papa.
This man is a man of God.
You were living in Limpopo.
Yes, I'm from Limpopo.
Is she speaking the truth?
I don't know.
I am using a prophetic chariot.
You say what?
I am using a prophetic chariot.
Hey!
From the corner.
God have mercy upon us.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
It's like you live around here.
Oh yes, I live around.
Yeah. Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone. That's my house.
This one?
Yes.
You mean this is your house?
Yes, that's my house.
Wow, that means we are neighbors because that's actually my house.
Wow. This is your house?
Yes.
You built this house?
I built it. Oh, no, you built your own. Wow. You built your own, I built my own. Actually, although my own is still under construction, I've been spending money just trying to do some finishing touches. You know, I'm tired. I said, let me just take a walk. And I bumped into you. Wait, were you born on Sunday? It's like your birthday is on Sunday.
Wow, how did you know?
Is it not obvious? For you to be this smooth, that means you were born on Sunday. Yes.
Well, my birthday is actually next week Sunday.
Are you serious? Next week Sunday is your birthday. You see? How did I know? Have I met you before? Do you know me? Do I know you? You see? It's very obvious. By the way, where are you heading to?
I'm just taking a walk down the eatery to go have lunch. Do you mind joining me? To keep me company?
If I mind. Do I have anything I'm doing? My project is going on. I'm not doing anything.
Shall we?
Yeah, we shall. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Forgive me. I didn't even ask your name. What's your name?
Wait, how much is it, please?
Is it for the both of you?
Yes, for everything. How much? That's fine. Here's my card. Oh, I remember. I used it for something the other day. Give me my card. Please, can you help?
Spyro, now only me one life. See us we day like this sunrise. I will never leave your side. I will never.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. Nigga bam silly gas. Dangerous. I got no to the bus. Dangerous. Nigga bam silly gas. Dangerous. I got no to the bus. Gully bounce.
Oh la merveille! Oh le génie! Le joueur exceptionnel!
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Different from
and you think Valentine is for everybody, Abby?
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Boss, I want to sit down with you now.
God have mercy upon us.
According to Punch,
you cutting your hair?
Yeah, I'm cutting.
Dang, you want it to grow back?
What do you say?
Do you want it to grow back?
So I got bad. You say I need it to be like this because I have a hair, but the people say like my hair is not look good. That's why I'm trying to fix my hair to look good.
You look good regardless.
I look good regardless?
Tu étais un homme droit, prends-moi dans tes bras et je n'ai plus personne. Tu ne laisses pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps et si tu m'abandonnes, je suis pas celle que tu crois.